This short video shows some of our footage from Highland County in Virginia during autumn. The county is located on the border of West Virginia and is about a 3 to 4 hour drive away from Washington, D.C.
Highland County is known as Virginia's Little Switzerland due to its picturesque countryside nestled among the rolling hills of the Allegheny and Shenandoah Mountains. Most of the footage in this video was shot near the village of Blue Grass.
Highland County has one of the highest average elevations east of the Mississippi River, which created a unique climate for sugar maple trees to thrive. Hence, the county is known for its production of maple syrup and has hosted a famous annual maple festival in March since 1958 to promote maple syrup producers.
I hope you liked this video and it inspired you to visit Highland County and attend the Maples Festival one day. See you next time!